Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another Funko Pop haul video, man. And this is crazy when I see like how many pops I have picked up. And I'm not even gonna talk ears off. Before we get into the video, hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video. Still review, Funko Pop haul, pick up whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. Let's get into it. Okay, first off, I'm gonna do all the unboxing Funko Pop hauls that I had to unbox early so people can get their money. Like, I don't even know how to pronounce it. I think it's like Merikari or something like that. You have to let them know that you received the package and get them a rating and everything before their money get released, which is messed up, but you know, it is what it is. So I'm gonna start with all those pickups first and let's get into it. There's no particular order and when I got these. I'm just gonna do the Funko Pop haul. So this is the Miles Morales right here. This is the Miles Morales Funko Pop haul. I'm going to try to keep this as quick as possible. So there's the Miles Morales. I'm not going to do the fool and stack them up on the table again because that didn't work out too well. Oh, okay. This is the Sora Monsters Inc. Target exclusive version. I have like 3 versions of these. Wow. This is from Kingdom Hearts, if you don't know. Okay, throw that box down. Next is this, my boy Jack Skeleton. I think this is like the Day of the Dead version or something like that. Yeah, Day of the Dead. This is my boy Jack Skeleton. If you don't know, I rock with him. He is tatted on my arm, so that should let you know something. And he is from Nightmare Before Christmas. This is the Day of the Dead version. There's only 2. I think Sally is like the more rare version than Jack Skeleton is. I think Sally is rarer than him. And he's from Nightmare Before Christmas. Okay. Okay. And again from Nightmare Before Christmas, this is your boy Oogie Boogie with the dice in his hand. And if you don't know anything about Nightmare Before Christmas, Oogie Boogie, he's the evil person. Underneath this cloth is nothing but like bugs, maggots, and worms, and a whole bunch of nasty stuff. And like when he captured you, he rolled the dice, and depending on the number is like what punishment you get in like his dungeon of death or whatever. I don't even know. I forgot what it's actually called, but he rolled the dice, and depending on what number it drops on, that's what happens to you. You get shot, you can get cut, any type of stuff, you know. And this is the Snowman Jack Skeleton right here. All these are from Merikari, or however you pronounce it. This is the Snowman Jack Skeleton right there. Real dope. Okay, I think these boxes might finna fall. And this is Mickey Mouse. This is Mickey from his role in Kingdom Hearts. This is Mickey. And this was actually the last one I needed to complete this whole set right here. So that's a complete set. And timber, there go 1 box down. Wow, real dope, man. Completed that. Ooh, this might be some people, you know, pops they looking for. And this is, wow, the LeBron James purple jersey. This is the Fanatic, yeah, the Fanatic exclusive. Him holding the basketball with the purple jersey. You know, some people might still be looking for this. I don't know. But there you go. Got it. Fanatics exclusive. LeBron James. It's wrapped up. It's wrapped up in wrapping. Okay, this is Spider-Man Noir from the movie. You know, the black and white version of Spider-Man from like the 70s, I think. And if y'all hear that wind, it's going down in Chicago right now. Like, I don't know what's going on with Mother Nature, but somebody pissed off. I have like all of these right here, except for this black Spider-Man. So, looking for the black Spider-Man, Miles Morales. Don't have that one to complete this whole set, but there you go. 70 version of Spider-Man right there. Oh, okay. And this is Riku from Kingdom Hearts right here. I think this was the last one I needed. No. Actually, this is not the last one I need. The last one I need is this Mickey right here, and he is on the way. So he's on the way, and I have the box lunch exclusive on the way as well. So here's Riku. Wow. Oh man, we getting into the. Oh, you know they important when they come in this joint. And wow, man. Here you go. This is the Best Buy exclusive, man. This is Sora in like the final form. He has like 3 or 4 different forms that he goes into, like, and this is the final form. He's in that all white with the double keyblade action going on there, man. Real dope. Came in like the pop container right there, so definitely glad to have this. Ooh, I hope that don't fall. And okay, this is Sora in the Guardian form. Kingdom Hearts, Sora, Guardian form. Him right there. This is a 2018 Fall Convention exclusive, limited edition. As you can see by the tag, box got a little bent up, but it's not too bad. Oh, okay. Back to back. And this is another Sora GameStop exclusive, and this is the dry form. There y'all go, dry form Sora. Like I said, man, I think it's like one more form that I'm missing, 1 or 2. I forgot. But there's the dry form right there. Dope. Glad to have that in the collection. Okay. This was actually a hard little pickup, man. I had to really search for this. And wow, this is the Donald Kingdom Hearts Donald, the Hot Topic exclusive. It is in a pop protector. Wow, there you go, the Donald. This set is complete. This is like a spin-off from this Donald, and I have the spin-off from that Goofy coming as well. So glad to get that. And what was this one at? Damn. I had one that go down, and this is okay. This was another hard one to get. Another hard one to get, man. And this is Bow, the black and white Pete, the Walmart exclusive, man. This was another hard one to get. It's basically Pete just blacked out, black and white out, or grayed out, however you want to say it. It's some goddamn blonde hair on there. But yes, Bow, man. Pete is a spin-off from this Pete right here. It's just all black and white out. So definitely glad to get that, man. I really had to hunt that one down as well. That was a hard one. And for the final unboxing, god damn, they wrapped this up. They wrapped this up in a DC box. This box is dope though. I don't know if this, welcome to the Legion DC collection, but surprisingly this has nothing to do with DC at all. This right here might be something that people are looking for as well, and this is Bow, the Foot Locker exclusive LeBron James pop. Foot Locker exclusive, man. Him in that yellow jersey. You know, the purple jersey and the yellow jersey are like the more exclusive ones. You know, people are really kind of hunting those down, and they all go, both of them in this one video. Foot Locker exclusive and the Fanatics exclusive is actually the harder ones to get. So that was it for the unboxings. Now I'm about to show y'all all the pickups that I got just going into random stores. Like, oh, they got a pop section right here. Let me go see what they got over there. And that's basically how a lot of this stuff happens. So let's get straight into it, man. I'm finna snap on a whole song, take a loss and I bet I'ma go on.